Hi, I'm Katie Ziskind, the practice owner of Wisdom Within Counseling in Niantic, Connecticut. Read more about holistic marriage and family therapy at wisdomwithinct.com. This video is all about PTSD. Now, how do you know if you have it, and what are the symptoms? Post-traumatic stress disorder is often something associated with veterans. It's very easily to develop if you've been in a life-threatening situation, but every human has often been through trauma and is experiencing some degree of PTSD, or post-traumatic stress disorder. So, if you have been through a major event, loss of a loved one, loss of a family pet, a parent's divorce, maybe you're getting divorced right now and you're in a high conflict couple fighting unit, all of these things can actually lead to trauma symptoms if they're not resolved properly. So in a traumatic event, let's say your life is being threatened, you end up in fight, flight, freeze, or retreat. So fight, you're going to fight that woolly mammoth off as a caveman. You're going to really use your muscles and fight. Flee is running away, so running as far as you can. Or freeze. And freeze is where you curl up, and oftentimes when people are being sexually abused, freeze is the most typical trauma response, and that ends up leading to depression and anxiety later in life. And if you have been through a traumatic event, one way you'll know that you have PTSD is often by having panic attacks. Anxiety and panic attacks where your palms are sweaty, or you have heart palpitations, you might be craving that next cup of coffee, you're really low in energy as well, you have these really highs, really lows. That is actually a symptom of post-traumatic stress disorder, that your body is moving through fight, flight, freeze, or retreat. And these are traumatic, kind of this like almost shutdown where your body feels like it's hijacked, and you have this very polarized sense of an inner child, and then you have this adult self. And so what we do is we help you connect your mind, your body, and your spirit, and we do this through creative, expressive, holistic therapies. So art, yoga, which is absolutely wonderful, guided breathing, meditations, really help you create a calm inner landscape to really nurture your inner child and have a healthy relationship with yourself, because this also impacts your children. So, sometimes if your child is 8 years old and something happened to you when you were 8 years old, now let's say you're, 45, you're really in a place where your child is like representing your inner child when you were abused. So very important to take that into account and seek professional family therapy. So at Wisdom Within Counseling in Niantic, we specialize in trauma or post-traumatic stress disorder treatment, and we use a holistic approach, bringing in the painting, clay, molding, really being able to express yourself in different ways confidently, to know that you can gain a positive coping skill toolbox to handle anxiety and learn that you are courageous and brave, and really step into your truth and really be authentic in the world from experiencing therapy and this holistic sense of therapy where you build a sense of leadership in the world. Whereas at one time in the world you felt very small. So this is a really beautiful process, and art, yoga, outdoor walking sessions by the beach can also help you get to reaching your positive goals for yourself. So sometimes walking outside, soaking up the sun, moving around, especially for adults with ADHD or high energy adults, it can be very relaxing. So if you're looking to get started in post-traumatic stress disorder therapy, or if you're experiencing panic, anxiety as a young adult in your first career, or if you are a parent with a teen or child with anxiety or worry who's withdrawn socially, we would love to help as a team of holistic marriage and family therapists in Niantic, Connecticut. Call or text for a phone consultation, 860-451-9364. And read more about Wisdom Within Counseling at wisdomwithinct.com. Thanks, Leah, for your like. And I'm signing off now. Have a wonderful day. I'm Katie Ziskind.